Yeah, you're audible and I can see you. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible. Just I can see you, and your voice is very pretty. And you tell me, what is your name?
My name is Farshi Ghosh. How are you?
I am fantastic. Thank you. Tell me, where are you from?
I'm from Tripura, the northeast side of India. And in case if my name is like complicated, you can call me Shreya.
Oh, yes, Shreya. Shreya, your name is fantastic, really. Then you tell me, Shreya, what do you do? Do you go to school?
I am homeschooled.
Okay, it's mean that you read at home. You don't go to school.
No, but sometimes I go to school and go to school for my exam.
Okay, then you tell me what is the distance between your school and your house?
It is about 3 kilometers.
Wow, 3 kilometers you travel for going to your school. Wow,
Yeah,
wow, wow, wow.
father's bike,
Hmm.
my father's car, it takes about 10 minutes, and by bike, it takes about 15 minutes.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, do you know me?
I can see your name.
Okay, you can see my name. What is my name?
Your name is Suraj Kumar, and I will call you
Hmm.
sir.
Okay, thank you, thank you. I have started India English bolega Abhiyan. Do you know about India English bolega Abhiyan? Have you heard about it anytime?
Yeah, I heard about it sometimes.
Very good. India English bolega Abhiyan, there is a great dream to change India. And really, you speak English. You tell me about who taught you this language and how can you speak this language?
Okay, so from a really little age, which is 2 years old, my father really much helped me a lot. I like to speak English a lot since a lot of people like said English is hard and uncommon language. I thought it in a different way. My father thought it in a different way. My father helped me saying that English is a common language. Like if you right now know your mother language only, if you go like to a foreign country like France or even to a Tamil place, how will you talk with your mother tongue? Right? And then my father talked with me in English, and I played with dolls in English. Like some people, like some kids in my area talk in their mother language while playing with dolls, but me, I talk in English. I really liked English, and my father also liked English. That is
I have watched your videos in many YouTube channels. Do you have any particular YouTube channel?
yeah, I do for education purpose and sharing my knowledge. I do.
Oh my God. Could you tell me that what is the name of your YouTube channel?
Yeah, the name of my YouTube channel is Educational Research, while S stands for my name and another S stands for my brother's name, which is Sreyan, and Educational Research, you know that.
Okay, it's mean SS educational research. What is that?
Yeah,
Very good, very good. Fantastic job you are doing. You know that. For speaking English, practice is very important, and you should talk with many people in this language. So just you can get the confidence and just you get the fluency as well. You know, and really I appreciate you. Actually, I have also a lot of students like you. They are willing to learn this language, and really I teach them very well and how to talk in English because it was uh, my dream. It was my dream to talk in this language, and really, I tried a lot to learn this language. And a lot of people they have different types of dream. But speaking English is a great dream in India because the Indian people they they don't have the environment of English language. You know. Hmm. Then okay. Then what do you want to tell all the students they wanna learn this language? What is your guidelines for them?
I want to say that English is not hard. If you try, everything is possible. It is said by my father that everything is possible if you try hard and do it from your mind. If you want it from your heart.
Wow, 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 fantastic. Really, if you try anything from your heart, it will be possible for you, and just you can get success in that field very easily. Because most of the people they try little bit whenever they get the failure, they give up very soon. But the success demands a lot of failures. You should fail many times, then you learn from your failures, and after that you grow in your life, isn't it? So really I would like to ask your age, and could you tell me that how old are you?
Well, actually, this year I'm going to turn 10 years. Like this year, 2025, April 7th, which is my birthday, I'm going to turn 10 years old.
Wow, 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 you are only 10 years old and you can speak English fluently without any hesitation, and you are from India. So really this is a great surprise for my all my students and all the people, for the English learners they want to speak this language fluently. So really, you are the great inspiration for them, and I appreciate you that today you connected with me, and today just you are talking to me here, and really I appreciate you, Priya. Many times I watched your videos in YouTube channel, so it was my thought, it was my dream to talk to you because your voice is very attractive and you speak very well. And really, then you tell me what be the importance of what meaning in English language?
The importance of speaking English is very, very popular. Like, just English doesn't help like people. It is very important for jobs. To get jobs, it is very important. It is helpful for huge purpose. Like right now, kids, there are English medium schools. English can help a lot in it. There is travel purpose for English. Like if just as I told, if I know my mother language, how will I talk to like French people or even Tamil people? Like for example, I went to the airport one time with my father, and of course to India many foreigners come. If I hadn't known English, then I hadn't been able to talk to them. Then in the child hospital, I there were African people here. How would I talk to them if I didn't know English? So English is very important for people like us.
Very good. Do you understand Hindi?
Yeah, Hindi is also very popular in our. I understand a little bit of Hindi as it is very relatable. The words are very familiar to our language, which is Bengali.
Oh, you are a Bengali girl. Oh, it means that at home you use Bengali language. Yeah, yeah, isn't
Yeah.
it? Wow, wow. I like also Bengali language. Many times I try to learn this language, and still I am trying to learn this language because I love to learn something new things, and really it is in my bucket list. So I wanna learn English language as well as Bengali and Bhojpuri. These are fantastic language the people they speak, isn't it? Hmm. Can you teach me a little bit Bengali? Hmm.
One phrase in
Yes.
Bengal, phrase in Bengali. Do you know how?
Okay, you tell me. Hmm.
You know
मैं
how to say?
आपको हाँ yes I speak in English. You have to tell me in Bengali. मैं I wanna teach you. I want to teach you.
I have to say in Bengali, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
So আমি তোমাকে পড়াতে চাই।
Very, very good, very good. I am trying to speak English. I am trying to speak English.
আমি ইংলিশ বলতে চেষ্টা করছি বা আমি ইংরেজি বলতে চেষ্টা করছি।
Oh, wow, 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 wow. Do you want to speak English fluently?
Yeah.
Do you want to speak English fluently?
Okay. তুমি কি চাও ইংলিশ সুন্দর করে বলতে?
Wow, wow. Fantastic, fantastic. I am very big fan of English language.
আমি ইংরেজি ভাষার খুব বড় I actually they are very complicated words in language.
Yes, yes, yes. How will you say the fan? Fan, it means that lover, you can say. Premi, premi. আমি বড় বড় প্রেমী বটে of
Yeah,
English language. अंग्रेजी भाषार আমি বড় প্রেমী বটে। You can say like this.
yeah, that
Okay,
is really correct.
okay. Then Surya, if you have any question, just you can ask me. Otherwise, I need to start the another class, and I teach online as well. So Hindi to English I teach, and a lot of students I have. So really, I have to go there. And thank you for your precious time.